In this section, you'll enter your company's historical income statement data to provide a comprehensive view of your financial performance over the past 2 financial years. This data snapshot will help analyze your company's revenue, profitability, and financial trends. In this section, you can enter your data manually or use our Import Excel option to upload the income statement of last 5 years. Follow these steps. Simply download our income statement template. Then input your numbers into the Excel template. Upload the Excel template for your data. Your numbers will be displayed on screen. Take your time to verify each number carefully. If you choose to enter your numbers manually, enter data for the last 5 financial years. Ensure all entries are accurate and consistent. Double-check that calculations align with your financial records. Key verification points. Verify that your revenue and cost figures match your actual financial statements. Confirm that profit calculations are mathematically correct. Ensure tax calculations reflect your actual tax liability. That's it.